Morning, everyone. I've been asked several times to start a morning devotion, and I've been struggling to begin it and not finding the time or the space. But I was thinking about it, and today the Lord encouraged me, and I just want to begin in the beginning with Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. It says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters." And from this, I just want to encourage you that God could have waited for the perfect time and the perfect setting, and He could have begun later or earlier. But when God began to create the universe, just the fact that He began was perfect. He set perfection in place by beginning His work. And in a similar way, since we are children of the Lord, and we have the Spirit of the Lord within us, if you have something good to do, don't wait for later, for a perfect setting. Don't wait for everything to fall in place. You just begin. You have the strength of God in you. You have the power of God with you. Do the right thing whenever you start, that's the right thing to do it. So you're waiting to start a new project, a new job, or new plan, or to start a daily devotional, or waiting for a time to forgive someone, or to approach something, do something, whatever it is. If you feel the nudge of the Lord to do it, and especially if it's a good thing, it's never too late, and it's always perfect to do the good thing. So I know this is a very general statement, but I know that just like me, I've been waiting to start certain projects, certain things, including this daily devotional, and I've been delaying it. But I know that it's just good to start. So I encourage you, especially if you're thinking of a daily lesson plan, or joining a Bible study group, or a home group, or anything such like that, just begin, and God will bless it. Especially when your intentions, your motivations, and you've dedicated that project to the Lord, you will do well. So God bless you, and have a wonderful morning.